तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। ये इंडियन पॉलिटी का पार्ट 1 वीडियो है। मैं हूं अरुण सक्सेना। आइए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो अबाउट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम अंडर विच इट्स पीपल आर टू बी गवर्नड. Our Indian Constitution is adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and full operation effect from 26 January 1950. In the original Constitution, we had 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules. The sources of the constitutions are the directive principles we borrowed from Irish Constitution, the fundamental rights borrowed from US Constitution, and the federal structure is borrowed from Canadian Constitution. After that, we see the preamble. Preamble represents the philosophy, the ideas, or the soul of the entire Constitution of India. The Supreme Court of India found that the preamble contained some of the basic features of the Constitution which could not be altered even by an amendment of the Constitution under Article 368. In the Berubari case, 1960, the preamble is not a part of Constitution. We seen, and after that, the Keshwanand Bharti case in 1973, the Supreme Court of India say the preamble contained the basic structure of the Constitution. In the 42th Constitution Amendment Act 1976, it add some words in the preamble of the Constitution like socialist, secular, and unity and integrity of the nation. After that, we see some features of the preamble of Indian Constitution. First feature is popular sovereignty. In the starting of the preamble, we read we the people of India. Means the people of India are the ultimate source of authority. Our preamble describes the 5 cardinal features of Indian state. First one is sovereign state. The Indian Constitution proclaims that India is a sovereign state. It testifies to the fact that the India is no longer a dependency or a colony of British Crown. India is free both internally and externally to take our decisions and implement these for her people and territory. India is a socialist state. In 1976, 42 Amendment Act, we added the word socialism. India is committed to secure social, economic, and political justice for all its people. India stands for ending all form of exploitations as well as for securing equitably distribution of income, resource, wealth. The term India is socialist state is really mean India is a democratic socialist state. And the third one is India is a secular state. By the 42th Amendment Act, the term secular was incorporated in the preamble. There is no such things as the state religion of India. India guarantees equal freedom to all religions. All religions enjoy equality of status and respect. After that, the fourth feature of the preamble of Indian Constitution is that India is a democratic state. The Constitution of India provides for a democratic system. The authority of the government rests upon the sovereignty of people. And the last, the India is a republic. The preamble declares India is to be republic. India has an elected head of state who wield power for a fixed term. The President of India is elected sovereign head of the state. He holds a tenure of 5 years. Any Indian citizen can get elected as the President of India if he fulfill the eligibility. Our constitution have many features like sovereignty, socialism, secularism, democracy, republican character, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, dignity of the individual, unity and integrity. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.